Hello, in this video we are going to discuss about text extraction from images. You can see here we have an image containing some text. You can see I'm not going to copy, I can't copy anything from this. Is basically an image. So you can see img1.png, img2.png. So this is basically images with the extension of png images. So I need to extract some text. I want to copy. Let's suppose I want to copy this one. So I'm not able to copy. So how I can copy this one text? So we are going to do some coding how we can extract some text from an images. So let's suppose I'm going to mount my drive with this one. So first of all I have launched, if you can see, I just launch a Colab file, a notebook file. After that one I need to mount this one. So I'm going to make a shell where I'm going to write this kind of code. So I will be back after mounting my drive. So when I run this one, so I mount my Google Colab book with my Google Drive. After that, so we need to install some libraries. So make sure I'm going to install TensorFlow OCR. So for this is a quite interesting. You can see here I'm using a OPT. If you are using a pip install OPT, so it will not work. So make sure while doing this one you need to use apt. So this is basically a Ubuntu command for installing TensorFlow Tesseract OCR. So make sure you will use OPT, and after that you need to install two libraries. So I have already pip install in my in my Colab, so that's why I'm not going to install this one. I'm going to install this one, pip install pytesseract. So I'm installing this library. You can see after installing this one, so we need to install import OS. So we need to import OS for extracting some code from accessing some data from our directory. So after that one I'm going to paste a code that will run to extract the images from here. So you can see this is the main code. So I'm going to tell you about this code. So try for example I'm using from pit import images. So it will try to import these from pit. If not using, so it will use this library. So and after that import pytesseract. So I think rather than using this one I'm going to simply use this one. Let me see is it working or not, and then we will discuss about the further code. So yeah, it's asking me about the image is not defined. So we need to, yep, so we need to run this command. So I make the code simple, and let me see, I'm going to make the code simple, don't need to run. So yeah, if you can see here, so it's trying to extract some text from my this images. So if you go there, I have computer vision is an interdisciplinary. So you can see I can copy this one. If you can see I can copy this one, I can copy this one and use it where I want to use. If I'm going to paste it, you can see it is very, so I cannot copy from the image. So if we want to copy some text from images, we need to run this one command. It will automatically generate some text file, so you can easily copy this kind of text from the file. This is a very simple code. So let's suppose I'm going to use my first image. So the first image is the text is let me see, so artificial intelligence. So when I run this one, so I'm going to run one. So let me see is it extracting some images text from the image or not. So you can see here, yeah, artificial intelligence, and you can see is the intelligence demonstrated by machine. You can see artificial intelligence intelligence demonstrated by machine. So it's extracting some text. So I can just simply copy. You can see I'm going to copy this one, and when I paste it here, so I'm going to simply paste it here. This is really awesome and nice. If you let's suppose I'm going to paste it here, you can see this is the text. So we can easily extract any kind of text from any kind of images. So I took two images to extract some text. So and show you some demo on that images. So this is the basically the function. So how it's work: import Pillow is the library. We can use PIL from image import images from PIL import images and import PyTesseract. So this is the function. We need to define this function. So we by using PyTesseract dot the function name is image to string. We are going to open an image by using this one. So you can see it extract the image and then pass to this PyTesseract, and it will extract the text from that image and return to this function. You can see, and this is the basically function. I'm calling the function from here and passing a parameter to this function. This is the parameter. It will getting that parameter and pass to there. So it will get that image by as a parameter and apply the method of image to string. So it will extract the string from that images and return and print it here. So this is basically a simple code and quite easy, but you make sure you need to install PyTesseract OS by using this command. So hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.